Want to use your debit card for iCloud storage upgrades, app purchases, or other Apple services? Adding your debit card to your iCloud account, Apple ID payment methods, is essential. In this guide, I'll show you how to add a debit card to iCloud. To add a debit card to your iCloud account, you're actually adding it to your Apple ID payment methods. On your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then tap on your name at the very top. Select Payment and Shipping. Tap Add Payment Method. Choose Debit Credit Card and enter your debit card details: the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV. You'll also need to provide your billing address. Finally, confirm and save the card. This debit card will then be used for all purchases and subscriptions associated with your Apple ID, including iCloud storage, App Store purchases, and Apple Music. And there you have it. Adding a debit card to iCloud is done through your Apple ID settings. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.